In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect DocHub from Google Drive. We'll walk through the exact steps to remove the DocHub integration, and I'll share a few helpful notes so you know exactly what to expect. This process is quick and it won't delete any of your existing files in Drive. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where DocHub is connected. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile picture in the top right corner to confirm you're in the right one. Once Drive is open, look toward the top right of the page for the gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the menu, then click on Settings. This will open a panel with different options on the left side. In the left sidebar, select Manage Apps. This section lists all the third-party apps that are currently connected to your Google Drive. It may take a moment for the list to load, especially if you have several connections. Scroll down through the list until you find DocHub. When you see DocHub, look to the right of its name for a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to reveal more options. From the options that appear, click Disconnect from Drive. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you want to remove the integration. Confirm the removal to finalize it. After you confirm, DocHub will be disconnected from your drive. What this means is that Google Drive will no longer open files with DocHub by default, and DocHub won't have access to your drive through this integration. Your files themselves are not deleted. Any PDFs or documents you had in Drive will remain in your folders exactly where they were. If DocHub previously created copies or saved edits to Drive, those copies will still be there as regular files. If you don't see DocHub in the Manage Apps list, it usually means it's not connected for that account. Make sure you're in the correct Google profile and try scrolling slowly so the full list loads. If the gear icon or settings don't appear, refreshing the page or trying a different browser can help. You can always reconnect DocHub later if you change your mind by visiting DocHub and reauthorizing access to Drive, but for now, that's all you need to do to disconnect it. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give it a moment to take effect, and then test opening a file in Drive to confirm DocHub is no longer the default.